Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let me show you a 20 inches 613 fullest wig. And look at the hair. And look at the fullness and thickness of the hair. And see how silky is this 613 hair. And let's see the front side. This is a fullest transparent lace one. And the frontal side. And inside is a fullest wig. See the inside of the fullest wig with great thickness of the hair and 100% ventilation with comb and adjustable band. Well front line. And thank you for watching today's video. If you like this hair and you're looking for a hair vendor, or you're looking for a great quality hair or wigs, you can feel free to contact us or just place your order on www.joicehair.com.